Watch this. I'm about to create a sandbox from scratch, hand it to an AI agent, and let it build a real app, live, in under 2 minutes. Here we go. One click and the sandbox is already active. No setup, no SSH key, straight into a live terminal. Now I bring in an AI coding agent, and I give it exactly one instruction: build a tic-tac-toe game. That's it. From here, it's on its own, checking what it needs, writing the code, starting the server. And watch this part. This is the moment that gets me every time. The agent tries to read something outside its lane, and it stops. It actually asks for permission. Allow once, allow always, or reject. It's not just building blindly, it's checking itself. Now it verifies its own work. Is the server running? Is it actually live? Confirmed. Time to see it for real. I open the public URL, and there it is. A fully working, playable tic-tac-toe game. Built by an AI agent, inside a sandbox that didn't exist 2 minutes ago. No fake demo. No cuts. This just happened. If you want to see what your agents can actually build when you give them a real sandbox to work in, go try it yourself at createos.sh/app/sandbox.